that time of year once again. Snow is falling, decorations are up, and families are gathering. Meanwhile, I've been listening to this for over 20 hours. Yeah, I think I'm going insane.
1% away of the new best.
Nah, unlucky.
Okay, this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Die. Extreme noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm.
I always play GG without
Couldn't
music.
help but notice circles from across the
It
floor.
just makes me
Noses
chill.
are nicky like you tell Dave and Tigger, hee hee. Unzips your baggy as pants.
When I beat love.
You so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tailor for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes me. Sazzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
Nice. I beat it. Alright, there we go. That is by far the most time I've spent on a level. It took me over 24,000 attempts over about 4 months, which is the most dedication I've ever needed for a completion. Honestly, even though it took so long, I still really enjoyed MISFIRE. It's by far the most fun I've had playing an extreme. I'm going to put Omu's channel in the description so you can see his video when it comes out tomorrow. And other than that, Merry Christmas everyone.